To customize your Samsung Galaxy Ultra with a basic color with a color palette feature, swipe on the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style. Alternatively, you can go to this menu from your home screen. To do so, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area to go to the home screen edit screen. And then tap wallpaper and style. Next, tap color palette. To use this feature, first you have to enable it by tapping the gray on offset next to color palette. Tap basic color style. In the basic color tab, you can see that you are provided with some palette based basic color. Tap the desired color palette you like to use. As a note, while selecting the palette, you can see the preview to see how the selected color palette will look like if it's applied to your phone by seeing the preview at the top of the screen. If needed, you can swipe the color palette section to the right to see more color palette available. Here, you can also choose to apply the selected color palette to your app icon. To do so, tap the gray on offset next to apply palette to apps icon. If you are satisfied with your selection, tap apply button. You can see that the selected color palette has been applied to apps icon, to buttons, to the menus, and to apps through your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.